evening, my Stitchy family, and welcome to my channel, Stitcha-Rella. Today I'm bringing you another beautiful unboxing from Biggestcraft. That is www.biggestcraft.com. Now I want to talk about Biggestcraft quickly. Here's my little kitty. Oh, I'm a poet and I didn't know it. Now Biggestcraft specialize in cross stitch only. So if you need anything cross stitch, you go to Biggestcraft. They sell stamped cross stitch. They sell all the newest beaded cross stitch. They sell the 9 count cross stitch, and they do embroidery. I saw they do embroidery now. They've loaded the most fabulous embroidery pieces. Go and have a look. There's so many. You will love it. It is amazing. I'm sorry. We put a little band. Look, we put a little band over her because she's been sterilized and she licks a wound and they didn't have cones. So I'm trying to help her. But anyway, back to Biggestcraft. They're amazing shop. Their shipping is super fast. I really appreciate this shop. They have always been very good to me. And their products are amazing. I'm going to show you just now. But if you want to save a bit more at Biggestcraft, you type in Rella 2 for $2 discount. Also, if you spend over $49, you get free shipping. Now that is not all. They've got a Happy New Year sale, and oh man, is it a Happy New Year. So at Biggestcraft, if you spend over $1, you get 15% off. Over $59, you get 18% off. Over $99, you get 22% off. And over $39.99, you save $3.99. Now that is excellent savings. Please go and have a look. For the $3.99, you use the discount code BGC3.99. This sale is still on for more than 12 days, so go and have fun. They've got beautiful things. Alright, so that was a mouthful. Let's see what they sent me. Now, our postal services was a bit slow, so we're still opening a Christmas stitch. And look at that beauty while I get the noisy paper off. Now, you guys are not going to believe me, but I still haven't got my Ziploc bags. I must go and get them actually. It's quite annoying, but in any way, it's okay. Alright, so let's have a look here. Alright, I can tell you now this is Yoshi. And let's start with this. We've got 5 needles, needle threader, and a thimble. And we've got a little test tube. There you go. No, it's not a test tube, but it's my test tubes, and I adore them. Alright, the pattern is on my favorite shiny foam. I love it because it's durable, but there's one thing you must remember. Please do not get this pattern wet. Do not do that. It's not water resistant. Alright, 11 count. Where's the size? It's 29 by 89 centimeters. I had to put my glasses on. Oh, the blindness. 103 stitches by 363. So it's very tall, right? Not very wide, but very tall. But don't you think it's so beautiful? Now this one's for the books, but guess what? What's even better? It's got 46 colors. Yes, this one I want to do. This is beautiful. So this will go into a Christmas stitch, and we'll do this. I really love this. Collect your Christmas stitches before they are gone. I collect them. This is just so colorful. Alright, there's also instruction leaflet printed on your pattern. And my cat's sitting on my keyboard. That's great. So the pattern is excellent. Right, so let's put away as we go. I will refold this as soon as I get my bags I need for this. Let's put it back there. And let's have a look here. So it's on the nice strong white Ada. And it's printed marvelously. Look at that. Biggestcraft, you've done it again. Look how beautiful this is. 46 colors. I am ecstatic with happiness. So serge all the way around for our convenience. It's 11 count. On the bottom you can see 29 by 89 centimeters, 103 stitches by 363. The printing is excellent. This is nice. It is busy, but just think how nice the stitch is gonna look. It is fabulous. Let me show you from close up. Hold on. Very busy, but so beautiful. Look at the clear printing. I love clear printing. It makes it easy, you know. Excellent product. 46 colors. I am super duper happy. But let's look at the pretties. I'm very excited about this. It's very colorful. Hope everything in here is very colorful. So there aren't floss drops. I can tell you that now. On floss drops, and there's 46 colors. I want to open to see if all that wonderful mythical colors are in here. Shake it up. Okay, let's, oh yeah, there you go. All the beautiful colors. This is gonna stitch up magnificent, I tell you. Now look at this. You know, with the floss drops, very difficult to show one color. Takes up so much time to do it. By this time you guys know all the colors, but this is fantastic. This product is amazing. It's got enough colors. It is fabulous. I love it. All right, so while I pack away, look at that. And you're thinking, oh, it's the ocean. And of course it's the ocean. Why? Because Sanette loves the ocean. Of course you're gonna see the ocean stitches because I love them. Alright, so let me close this up nicely while you look at that. And while I pack it away, I want to ask, if it's the first time you're watching my videos, please hit that subscribe button if you want to. By doing that, you really help me out a lot. And you motivate me to make more videos for you. Also, press the like button if you like this video. Leave a comment. I will personally get back to you. I promise and guarantee that. Alright, so let's have a look at the next one. You saw that beautiful picture, right? I cannot wait. I hope it's also a lot of colors. Okay, we've got a little a pack of tools. You got your needle threader, 5 needles, and a thimble. And then your needles are in a little test tube once again. So I can tell you it's Yushi, and I cannot wait to see inside. I cannot wait to see the colors here. So let's open. I tell you now, it's my favorite shiny film for durability. Strong. Don't get it wet in front. It's not water resistant. And yes, we've got another winner. Yes. Okay, so the pattern is also long, right? It is clearly printed. We got 46 colors. Now look at that glorious picture. It is some rocks with palm trees, with the sky, very colorful. It's like a oil painting type of thing, and I love it. And there's some starfish and shells, and it's gonna look great. This is gonna look excellent. Now there's instruction leaflets printed on your pattern for you, and let me show you how clearly it's printed here. Very, very nice. You can read it easy. Everything about it says winner. Alright, I love it. 46 colors. I am over the moon. Thank you, Biggestcraft. Alright, so let's have a look at the Ada. So it's basically the same length and stuff as the Christmas tree. So it's on your bright white Ada. It is serge all the way around for, yes, our convenience. The top you can see it's 11 count. The bottom you can read, it is 29 by 94. It's a bit longer. The other one's 89, remember? So this was 29 by 94 centimeters, 103 stitches by 385. I almost had a tongue twister there. Oh no. Now look at this. It's too long to show the whole thing, but look at that. Fabulous, right? The printing is amazing. top is a bit, it's not busy. It's block stitching, but you can still finish your thread. Lots of, this is beautiful. Easy stitch. Look at the detail. Here's your starfishes. Here's your shells. The water. And there's lots of colors, guys. It's 46 colors. Amazing, right? Look at this printing. Amazing. I think it is super, super, super amazing. See what I mean? Easy stitch, easy readable symbols. There you go. So it's excellent product. So now, guess what now? Let's have a look at this color. So this color should be very bright, right? Okay, while we do that, I must just fix this one. They took their plasters off, so it is kind of a problem. The vet doesn't have cones, and she said we must cut a sock and put it on them. All right, so Gracie, okay, Papa. All right, so let's have a look at the pretties. Sorry for the noise, but I can't do anything about that. Oh, I wonder why this happened. Double packed. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look at it. You guys can see it's on floss drops. And there's 46 colors, and look at this. Oh, my stitchy soul. Look at these colors. No. Gracie's eating the noisy paper, guys. No. Okay, look. Oh, look at this. Wait, let me try and show it all to you. Look at that. The bright ones are here on the side, but they're getting closed off. Wait. Trying to open it up, but it says no. The colors are amazing. Look at that. Fabulous. I absolutely love this. Tell me what you think in the comment box, please, while I pack away. I want to thank Biggestcraft. Wow. They are superb. Evie, thank you so much. This rocks. Thank you so much. It's beautiful. Then, to you, my viewer, my dear Stitchy family, want to remind you of the sale at Biggestcraft. Please go and have a look. It is lots of savings. You get $3.99 off. You get free stitches. I will leave all of that in my description box, so it's easy for you to find. I will leave all the details of these stitches there, so you also don't have a problem. And then I want to thank you. I want to thank you for always watching and supporting me. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. Till next time, lots of love, Stitcha-Rella.